Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are solving LeetCode Problem 1342. Number of steps to reduce a number to 0. It's super clean problem. Just two rules, one loop and you are done. Let's get into it. We are given an integer num. We need to return the total number of steps to reduce it to 0. The rules are simple. If the number is even, divide it by 2. If the number is odd, subtract by 1. Let's walk through example 1. Num equal to 14. Step 1, 14 is even. So 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. 7 is odd. 7 minus 1 equal to 6. Step 3, 6 is even. 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. And in step 4, 3 is odd. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. And in step 5, 2 is even. 2 by 2 equal to 1. And in step 6, 1 is odd. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Total 6 steps. The idea is straightforward. Run a while loop until num becomes 0. Inside the loop, check if num is even or odd. Apply the rule and increment step count. That's it. No tricks, no edge cases. One thing to notice, even divide by 2, we can also use right shift. Num right shift 1. Odd subtract 1. This just clears the last bit. Alright, let's write this out step by step. First, I will declare a steps counter initialized to 0. Int steps equal to 0. Now I will run a while loop as long as num is greater than 0. While num greater than 0. Inside loop, if num is even, I divide it by 2. If num percentage 2 equal to 0, num divided by 2. Otherwise it's odd, so I subtract it by 1. Else num minus equal to 1. After every operation, I increment the step count. Step plus plus. Finally, return steps. Return steps. So here it is our final code. Let's quickly dry run for. Num equal to 8. 8 is even. So 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. 4 is even. 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. 2 is even. 2 by 2 equal to 1. 1 is odd. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Answer is 4. Time complexity is 0 log n. We are having the number on every even step. Space complexity is O of 1 only using a counter variable. Super easy problem once you see the pattern. If you want, I can also show the bit manipulation version of this solution in a future video. It's even faster and cleaner. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and keep solving. See you in the next one.